Finding a winning product that's actually going to sell is honestly the number one reason most people never make $1 with dropshipping or any online business. People just guess, they pick something that looks cool, and then it sits there in their store and it never gets any sales at all. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to fix that problem. I'll show you how to connect Claude to your store and use it to find winning products so that you never have to guess anymore about finding the right product. Now, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you the exact prompts that I'm going to put into Claude AI that will help us to make all this possible. Let's get into it. Now, the tool that makes all this possible is called AutoDS, and if you have not come across it before, it's basically an all-in-one dropshipping platform. It handles your product research, it handles your order fulfillment, and it connects straight into your Shopify store. So once someone buys from you, AutoDS takes care of getting that product shipped out so that you don't have to touch a single box. Now, if you want to get access to AutoDS yourself, click the first link in the description of this video. And in fact, if you want to get started from scratch, you don't have an online store, I'm going to recommend that you click the second link in the description of this video because you can go and watch this video that I created. We are showing step by step how you can actually use AI to build your store for you and help you get connected with AutoDS. Now, normally to find a winning product on AutoDS, all you just need to do is once you're logged into your account, you're going to come in here. They're going to give you a marketplace where you can actually find different products. Now, for example, I'm focusing on the fitness niche. I can just simply come here at the top where it says marketplace and click on search, and it's going to give me a lot of different products that can possibly become winning products for me. I just need to scroll down here and then select the products that I feel like, okay, these ones will actually work for me. Normally, you need to search many other websites to be able to find this information, but AutoDS just gives you the information right there. Also, you notice to the left here, there's different menu options. For example, there's hand-picked products. You can just scroll through these. Yes, you've got these other options here that can help you to narrow down on what type of products you're looking for. But basically, you're going to be searching until you find the winning product. Also, there's an ad spy feature that allows you to be able to spy on different ads that people are running on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And then there's also a trending products feature that allows you to see the products that they actually recommend. And then there's also TikTok analytics so that you can see what's working best on platforms like TikTok. But the whole point here is that you need to spend time doing the research inside of this platform in order to find the winning product. Now, I'm someone who loves to save on time. So yes, this method can work, but I love doing things faster and better, which is why today we're going to be using Claude to make this process a whole lot faster for us. And the way that we do it is that you just simply need to have a Claude account. And yes, you have to be on a paid subscription for this to work, but simply you're going to come here and click on customize, and then you're going to look for connectors, and then you're going to click on this drop down option here. Click on browse connectors, and then in the search, you're going to search for AutoDS. And then this one is going to pop up right here. You then can just simply click on that and then click here where it says connect. Now it's going to take a second to actually connect, and then it's going to ask you to enter your email address and your password. Enter your details and then click on sign in. As you can see here, it's telling me that it has now been connected. Then what I need to do next is that I just simply go to a new chat like this, and then I begin to chat with Claude, asking it specific questions as it's going to be helping me to find winning products. And once again, to make this super simple and easy for you, I've gone ahead and created a prompt that you can actually paste into Claude. And if you just use this prompt, it works in any country or any place where you're located. You just simply need to go through it and make sure that you make some changes. For example, because I'm based in South Africa, it's asking me what's the local currency. I'm going to put ZAR. If you're in the UK or some other part of the world, just put whatever currency you wanted to use. Just make a couple of changes there. Copy the prompt, paste it into Claude, and then it's going to start working for you. Now, as you can see, I've already edited the prompt to suit me, but basically what it's saying is that I want you to help me to find winning products to sell using my connected AutoDS account. Act as a dropshipping product researcher and cover all of the following angles before giving me your shortlist. As you can see, I've already mentioned the country, South Africa, the currency, the platform is going to be on Shopify, and my niche is going to be fitness and accessories. I also wanted to categorize the information according to, for example, profitability, demand signs, competition and saturation, logistics and fit. Feel free to just read through the prompt. If you want access to this prompt, keep watching the video because later on I'll tell you how you can get access to this prompt. All I then do is just press enter, give Claude a couple of seconds to actually do the research. connect to my AutoDS, and then give me back all the feedback. And as you can see, at some point, it's going to ask you for some permissions. It's asking Claude wants to use get winning products from AutoDS, dropshipping, product research, and store automation. I'm just going to go with this option which says always allow, so that I can always just do this without having to give it permission. Now, bear in mind that it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to do a deep research. So that's actually normal. You can just go about and then do something else and then come and check back in a few minutes time. Now, it's just a few minutes later, and as you can see, it's already gone ahead and done the research for me. It just gave me a quick note on methodology. AutoDS returns everything in USD. So I pulled the current mid-market rate and then made the conversion. And then this is where the list begins here. It gave me a list of 10 different products. The first one is portable breathing resistance trainer. Now, it's suggesting that I actually sell this product for 810 rands, and it's going to cost me 44 rands to 46 rands to actually get it. And then that's how much profit I can actually make from this. So now, yes, I know that sounds like a lot of profit, but it's based on the research that is actually done. So as you can see here, it says saturation is 20 to 100, which is actually quite low, meaning that there are some people who are selling this product, but then there are still few. It also mentions how long it's going to take to do shipping. And then it also gives you a reason of why actually it feels like this is actually going to be a winning product. Is because the demand plus low saturation plus the margins all at once, it's a rare combination. And then what I then can do to see exactly what it's talking about, I can just simply copy this name like this, and then I can come back into AutoDS. Then I'm just going to come here at the top and then just paste that name in there and click on search. And then it's going to show me exactly what it's referring to. Now, as you can see here, there are a couple of different products that fit into that category. So I'm not exactly sure on which one exactly it was. So I can just simply come back to Claude again, and then I can type in something like, are you able to provide links to the products in AutoDS? And then as you can see here, it just took a couple of minutes, but then it's now giving me links to the different types of products. I can click there and see the products. But what I want to see more specifically is which platforms these products are actually found on. And as you can see, it's listing all of them as being on AliExpress. So what I then can do is that I can just come back to AutoDS like this. And since I'd already put the search at the top there, I then can come here and click on supplier and say AliExpress. And then I'll be able to see the exact products that I can use as winning products. And then now let's say that, for example, this is the one that I want to sell, or it's the one that is my winning product. I then can use AutoDS to import these exact products into my store. Now, the same process will work for all these other products. You can just simply come here. You can just come and look at the name of the product and then go to AutoDS so that you know exactly what it is that you're selling, identify the product, and then import it into your store. And basically, that's how simple and easy it is to be using Claude to actually find the right products for you. But in order for you to get the best results, especially using Claude, the way that you ask it questions is what will determine the types of results that you get. So I want to give you access to this prompt that you can use. And the way that you can get access to this prompt is you're going to look below the description of this video. You're going to see the third link that I'm going to put there, which is going to be titled prompt. Click on that, and then you'll be able to get access to this and use the prompt for yourself. Now, let me know in the comment section what type of products you want to sell, or what is Claude actually recommending to you. And if I've got any tips to share with you, I'm going to reply to every single comment and share my best tips that I know can help you to get results faster. If you're not yet a subscriber, I post videos like this every single week showing you different ways of earning income online. Please make sure that you subscribe so that you're notified every single time I drop videos like this, and also show your support for this video by just hitting the like button. And like I mentioned earlier on, if you want to see me actually building my store using AI, selecting the right products using AI, and going through the whole process of dropshipping, make sure that you check out this video next, because it will show you step by step how you can use AI to set up this whole process for you.